Students, today I will teach you Standard 6 English Grammar Assignment 27 Comparison. Comparison means we have to compare one thing to the other. Means it is called a homophone. Like as slow as tortoise. So in this chapter we have to see the exercise. Exercise, complete sentences using the words given in the list below. Means here in the list the words are given. From that words we have to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks or complete the sentences. The first one is done for you. Number 1, a tiger is to animals what lily is to blank, means flowers. Means tiger is called an animal. So what we call lily? So lily is a flower. So the answer is flowers. Number 2, a house is to us what a blank is to birds. Means for us the house as a living things. So for birds, which thing is for living? So the answer is nest. Means second number is a house is to us what a nest is to birds. Number 3, bark is to trees what dash is to us, means bark for the tree. So what is for us means flower for us. So number 3's answer is bark is to trees what flowers is to us. Number 4, dash is to dogs what a stay is to pig, means for pig the stay is a home. So for dog is a kennel. So fourth sentence is a kennel is to dogs what a stay is to pigs. Number 5, patients are to a doctor what dash are to a lawyer, means for doctor the patients are there. So for lawyer is a clients. So number 5 is number 6, a dash is to a goose what a duckling is to a duck, means ducks chicks are calling duckling. So goose chicks are calling gooseling. So number 6 is a gooseling is to a goose what a duckling is to a duck. Here again I give you the option for other blank 7 to 10. Number 7, a driver is to a car what a dash is to a horse. So from the option we have to choose and write the answer. So for car is a driver. So for horse is a rider. So number 7 is a driver is to a car what a rider is to a horse. Number 8, a tongue is to dash what an eyes is to sight. Here also you have to write the answer from the options. So with eyes we are seeing all these things. So with tongue we are testing the things or food. So number 8 is a tongue is to test what an eyes is to sight. Number 9, legs are to us what dash are to vehicles, means legs are for human beings. So wheels are to a vehicles. So number 9 is legs are to us what wheels are to vehicles. Number 10, a crowd is to people what a dash is to robbers, means when we are gathered any place, so it is called crowd of peoples. So for robbers it is called a gang. Number 10 is a crowd is to people what a gang is to robbers. Here also I give you the option for blank 11 to 16 or sentence 11 to 16. Number 11, Mumbai is to dash what Bengaluru is to Karnataka, means Bengaluru is in Karnataka. So Mumbai is in Maharashtra. So 11 number is Mumbai is to Maharashtra what Bengaluru is to Karnataka. Number 12, a shepherd is to sheep what a dash is to cows, means Sheep's owner is called shepherd, so cow's owner is called cowherd. So number 12 is a shepherd is to sheep what a cowherd is to cows. Number 13, petrol is to car what a dash is to trucks and buses. Means we are using petrol for car. So we are using diesel for trucks and buses. So number 13, petrol is to a car what diesel is to trucks and buses. Number 14, quacking is to dash was clucking is to hands. Means hands voice is called clucking. So quacking voice is called ducks. So number 14 is quacking is to ducks what clucking is to hands. Number 15, a king is to a queen what and dash is to an aunt. Means wife is called queen. So aunts. So number 15 is a king is to a queen what an uncle is to an aunt. Number 16 and last, a patient is to a hospital what and dash is to an orphanage. Means for patient it is a hospital. So for orphan it is an orphanage. मीन्स जिसके मम्मी पापा नहीं होते, जो अनाथ होते हैं उनके लिए ऑर्फनेज होता है. तो जो अनाथ होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं ऑर्फन. सो नंबर 16 इज अ पेशेंट इज टू अ हॉस्पिटल what an orphan is to an orphanage. I hope you all understood this assignment very well and you have to note down it in your textbook. Thank you.